Question I often get is, how do I make my screen a better scale? So a lot of folks will set a scale so that you're looking at perhaps 80 feet across on the canvas, and that just works great for your projects. And then suddenly things change, and you want to go back to where you were. So what that usually is that you brought in another drawing, in this case like a photo here, and you calibrated it. And then when you go back to the next new drawing, it's going to be matching that calibration or that scale for the image rather than what you were using previously. So I'm going to walk through that process. Open this guy up, and I want to calibrate it because I know how wide that thing is. So I'm going to drop on this calibration piece and calibrate it. Say this is 125 feet long. Do that. And as you can see, these things have changed across the top to match that calibration. So that's fine. I do my work here. Then I go create a new drawing. And rather than where it used to be across the board, let me turn on my grid. Across the board where it would be maybe 80 feet, you have this much wider piece. And that's because it's picking up the scale set for the previous drawing with the image. It's a very simple fix. You simply come back to the calibration here at the bottom left corner. Say yes. And now I'm just going to drag each corner more or less to the end. And I'm going to say, for this, by default, I want this to be 80 feet across. Just going to adjust that. And then the next one I bring in will also use that number rather than the one created for the photo-based drawing.